Did you know that the average person checks their bank balance 47 times per month, but still has no idea where their money actually goes? You're about to discover why tracking every single expense is keeping you broke and what millionaires do instead that takes half the time but delivers 10 times the results. I'm going to share something controversial today. Financial gurus have been telling you to track every penny for decades, but this advice is actually sabotaging your wealth. While you're busy categorizing your coffee purchases, wealthy people are using a completely different system that focuses on directing money flow rather than documenting where it went. Here's the brutal truth about expense tracking. It's reactive, time-consuming, and creates a scarcity mindset. You spend hours every week inputting transactions, categorizing purchases, and analyzing reports that tell you about money you already spent. Meanwhile, your financial situation barely improves because you're looking backward instead of forward. Think about it logically. Tracking tells you that you spent $15 on lunch yesterday. How does that information change your financial future? It doesn't. You've already eaten the lunch. The money is gone. You're essentially keeping a diary of your financial failures. The wealthy think differently. They don't track money, they direct it. Before money enters their accounts, they've already assigned every dollar a specific job. This is called intentional allocation, and it's the foundation of building real wealth. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine you're a movie director. You don't wait for actors to show up randomly and then document what they did. You create a script, assign roles, and direct the action before filming begins. Your money needs the same level of intentional direction. Here's how the redirection system works. First, you calculate your monthly income after taxes. Then you allocate percentages to different financial categories before you receive any money. The key categories are living expenses, wealth building, emergency fund, and discretionary spending. Living expenses should consume no more than 60% of your income. This includes rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and other necessities. If your living expenses exceed 60%, you have a spending problem that tracking won't solve. You need to either increase your income or decrease your expenses immediately. Wealth building gets 20% minimum. This money automatically flows into investments, retirement accounts, or business opportunities before you can spend it elsewhere. The wealthy understand that paying yourself first isn't a suggestion, it's a requirement for financial freedom. 10% goes to your emergency fund until you've saved 6 months of expenses. After reaching that goal, redirect this percentage to additional wealth building or specific financial goals like a down payment or business investment. The remaining 10% is your discretionary money for entertainment, dining out, hobbies, and impulse purchases. Here's the beautiful part. Within this category, you can spend however you want without guilt or tracking. If you blow through your discretionary money in the first week, you wait until next month. No spreadsheets, no guilt, no complicated calculations. This system eliminates the 3 biggest problems with traditional budgeting. First, it removes decision fatigue. Every dollar has a predetermined destination, so you're not constantly making spending decisions. Second, it prioritizes wealth building by making it automatic rather than hoping you'll have money left over. It creates clear boundaries that prevent lifestyle inflation. Don't overcomplicate your budget. Start simple with a few key categories. This shifts your focus from tracking what you can't afford to directing money toward your goals. How do you know it's working? Just check if your wealth and emergency accounts are growing. Automate transfers when you get paid, and the system runs itself. The compound effect of this approach is remarkable. While others stress about tracking coffee purchases, you're automatically building wealth and enjoying life guilt-free. free. Over time, your wealth building account grows substantially because you're consistently feeding it first, not hoping leftovers remain at month's end. Remember, wealthy people don't track their money obsessively. They direct it intentionally. They create systems that work automatically rather than requiring constant maintenance and emotional energy. This shift from tracking to directing is the difference between staying financially stressed and building lasting wealth. Your money needs leadership, not bookkeeping. Stop documenting your financial past and start directing your financial future. The wealthy figured this out long ago, and now you know their secret. Implementation starts today, not tomorrow. The choice is yours. Continue tracking every transaction while your financial situation stays the same, or redirect that energy into a system that actually builds wealth automatically.